I think anytime you get a chance to meet people who are using the same systems you are, in the same areas you're in, just allows you to grow and just be better at what you do and help others be better at what they do.
I wish more of our team members could be here to see all the innovations that are in place. I'm just going to let them know there's a lot of potential for us. There's a lot of room for growth. We always thought, maybe we're not doing the correct things, but as we get around people that are also using Aspire, and at this conference, we're learning that we actually do things pretty well, and we can expand on that.
It's electrifying. There's just a buzz all around. It's so much fun and you just learn so much. The networking with everybody. And what's so cool about it is you get to take it right away and implement it into your business.
Ignite is 3 days to remember. You walk away with more knowledge than you expected to walk away with. And just meeting different people and them interacting with one another.